Assalamu alaikum. Now I am going to give you video class. Kinds of sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which gives a complete sense. Before knowing about a sentence, everyone should know about what is a word and what is a letter. A letter is a single alphabet. Example A. A word, more than an alphabet. Example am. Sentence, a group of words. Example, I am a boy. What are the kinds of sentences? Why all they are divided into 4 types only? Answer. There are 4 kinds of sentences because everybody has to deliver the speech according to the 4 types of feelings only. Based upon the feelings, the sentences are being divided into 4 kinds. They are statement, ordinary feelings, interrogative, question and asking feeling, imperative, expression of order feelings, exclamation, sudden, forceful utterance feelings. Now, we will learn about this first type, statement. The feeling of this expression is an ordinary way. So, the structure, pattern will be also an ordinary way. The pattern will be as follows: subject, verb, object. Note, subject means noun, verb means action, object means the answer to the questions of the action, where, when, who, what. Example, I made this box. I is the subject, made is the verb, this box object. We can use this pattern with all types of persons. That is first person, second person, third person. Example, I singular, we plural first person, you singular, you plural second person, he, she, it singular, they plural third person. Main point, if third person singular present tense or the situation. Remember, if third person singular present tense or the situation, you should remember the following very important point. You must add s with the main verb, that is present. Now you may keep in mind this main verb means the present tense is also called base or constant verb. Example, he eats an apple, she wears her dress, the cow eats the grass, she sings a song. I teach you the lesson, you speak English, he reads a book, they help everyone. Next one, interrogative. This pattern will be little changed from the previous one as the expression is different as questioning feeling. So the main point to keep in your mind always, bring helping verb first instead of subject. So the pattern will be as follows: VSO, verb, subject, object. Here verb means only HV. Always remember that question type will be started with only HV, helping verb, because please remember anytime this point, no HV, no question. HV is the main part to produce question type. What are the helping verbs? These are called helping verbs as they are helping to the main verb to make a form of sentence, a form of continuous tense, perfect tense, or this type of question types expression. They are as follows: am, is, or, were, be verb, have, has, had perfect helping verb, will, shall to form future tense helping verb. Can, could, may, might is mood type helping verbs. These are 2 types of interrogative questions. Interrogative will be general type and yes or no type. General type. If both of you, the questioning person and the answering person, do not know the object, and if you, the questioning person, then questioning person want to get answer from the question person, opposite person, You can use the type by adding prefix such as what, who, when, where, with, why, how many, and how much, according to your idea of knowing the object from the opposite person. For example, to get an answer from him or to know about the real object. For example, if you like to know his name, you don't know the name, that is object. So you may select the prefix what. This is the only difference of the other type, yes or no. The both types, general type and yes or no type, should begin with only HB, helping verb, is the main point. Please don't forget. Always keep in mind this main point.